le 5 le goletseng a godingwana ke Clocksane fana wa ko manyana wa itse di-line ka di-killer-a if not path ya go ira lo ke a e tsamaya skala makala ke featurile overseas e ke ta senane ke tshabelwa ke weakness whenever go na le sefa re foletse di-beans cause gela Clocksane tsena pelo e bo e ema Mr. DH re tloga re e tsena la tsona pause and take a deep breath all of a Sunday ke bo ke qala go repa they bobbing the heads o kare ba o tsela back and forth with the way jaaka ke repa at this point le line ga ba e fola full circle jaaka ngwe dikgwedi fela at this point go tlela mike fela in 5 minutes tla bona ke trender oh Dara o itse go opela pick up your mic if you have something to tell me se se sala ha go gisa ka mophela you sure love supporting other countries industries pick up your mic if you have something to tell me I'm trying to revive Botswana's music industry Botswana le ruri ha le supportive I mean when was the last time you watched BTV a le supporta Zebras o letetse mona le lebile the Butlers freaking Premier League re na le talent e le ntsi yaanong ka ra e kgala ga go makatse to see it up and leave mo pussy B9 will am last who's next Nato Sequo and Khoisan we can't afford that Vision 2036 is not for that it's against that kind of mindset has been holding us back for the longest no one na go te a re change yeah ke tlo